Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I'm going to talk about the 3 things that I hate about Stearns & Foster mattresses. I will tell you that personally I love Stearns & Foster, slept on Stearns & Foster, never owned one, but there are 3 things that really bother me, and customers, I deal with a lot of customers, and I think they agree with me on these things. So number 1, tufting. Great feature that they have to keep everything from sliding, keeping everything together. But one thing, this little ball here sometimes falls off, and as you can kind of see, there's this plastic guy right here, and sometimes that'll stick you in the back, and people don't like that. Number 2, these handles. They look beautiful, they're great, but they're strictly for show. You literally are not warranted here. So if you pick them up, they're pretty heavy, and they will rip off because these mattresses are so heavy, and they're not warranted. Don't like that. Lastly, the weight. Extremely heavy, but that's a good and bad thing. There's a lot of metal in these things, but it's not very fun to move. So hopefully this is like a long time purchase kind of thing, because if you're moving it, you're not going to like it. Those are the 3 things that I hate about Stearns & Foster. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.